Welcome to my channel, STIGMATIA. Today I'm going to guide you through an esoteric ritual to ignite obsession, a dark and profound practice that taps into ancient energies and intention work. This isn't just a simple letter. It's a symbolic spell drawn from the age-old belief that words, charged with will, can shape reality. Across history, practitioners have used written petitions on paper, carved tablets, or inscribed charms to sway the forces that bind hearts and minds. In ancient Mediterranean magic, thin lead tablets with love incantations were buried or hidden near the target's home to stir deep desire and connection, a concept not so different from what we're working with here. This ritual we're doing focuses on channeling your will through a written spell, a practice known among occultists as a petition spell. In many traditions, the act of writing transforms a thought into a tangible, energetic intent that can draw influence from unseen realms. Some modern practitioners still use oils, herbs, or scented oils to amplify this intention before releasing it into the universe. Before you write your letter, prepare your energy, quiet your mind, breathe deeply, and hold the image of the person you wish to attract with a clear heart and focused intention. Take your paper and sit in a sacred space where you won't be disturbed. Now pick up your perfume or scented spray. Smell holds memory and emotion. In some magical circles, scent is used to charge intentions and make the written words resonate deeper with subconscious energy. Spray a little on your palms and rub your hands together. Then gently touch the paper so a trace of scent remains. This is not just fragrance. In your ritual context, it becomes a layer of your essence woven into the spell, much like how ancient talisman makers imbued objects with sacred purpose. Once your hands and paper are connected through scent and intention, begin writing. There are souls that cross paths without warning, leaving marks no passage of time can erase. I do not seek reason, only to declare that something in you feels destined, as if the cosmos whispered your name long before we met. As you write these words, focus all your emotional energy and clarity of intent into each phrase, believing that your will is becoming a living force, ready to influence the ethers. In the history of love magic, written spells were often folded or sealed to trap and direct the energy toward the target. Think of this letter as your own modern adaptation of that ancient practice. When you are finished, seal the letter with your breath and energy. You can fold it toward you 3 times, symbolizing your desire being pulled back to you. Then place it in an envelope. When you deliver this letter to the person, do it with confidence and presence. In esoteric belief systems, the act of giving is as much part of the spell as writing it, because it sends your intention into the physical world as well as the metaphysical, whether you know them already or they are someone new you encounter. Offer the letter with respect and clarity in your eyes. Let them feel the weight of your words and the ritual behind them. From that moment, in the mythic worldview of this practice, your intention continues its journey, weaving threads between your energy and theirs. In the veil between intention and reality, your voice becomes the spark that calls destiny to act. What you release into the universe returns to you, shaped by your focus, your belief, and the truth in your heart. If this message made sense to you, drop a comment saying, I have the power. Let your spirit rise and take action with clarity and courage. Stand firm in your intention, knowing that your inner fire has the strength to transform not just your desires, but your path forward. Never forget, the power to change your world lies within you.